Hi, I'm Rahul.
Hey guys, I'm Shivaji.
We are building a suite of AI agents on n8n called Senpai.
So the aim of these AI agents is to help you with improving your productivity.
We'll be building this in public and we'll be showcasing our journey and progress along the way every weekend.
So yeah, super excited and pumped to show you all what we are building on the other side. How many times did you jump into that 3 p.m. meeting or 7 p.m. meeting completely unprepared? Maybe you're totally busy with other stuff. Maybe you forgot that you had a meeting, right? Come on, we all been there at one point or the other point. Standby is here to help you all, folks. So, in a very simplest possible terms, what it does is that it scans your meetings that have every day morning at 8 a.m. and does a bit of research in the backend. Whatever the space or the domain that you are in, that could be content making, that could be logistics, that could be, let's say, data warehouse, whatever the space that you are in, the system does a bit of background research, compiles everything and sends you a clean formatted email. Let me show you one so that you get an idea. And this format. So you have with whom you have the meeting, what time, and also few points that help you break the ice. Relevant points. Point being relevant points. Now let's see how exactly it works. Node by node. I'll walk you through node by node. So this is a schedule trigger which I set up for 8 a.m. every morning, but I'm manually triggering it now. 10:20, right? 10:20 I've triggered it. Next is the calendar from where we get data of the meetings that you have. Next is the code node, which basically cleans whatever the input that is being given and present it in a very uh, easy to process in the next nodes. And here we have a HTTP request node. So basically here we are using newsapi.org from where we are extracting the news articles. And when I talk about news articles, we are extracting only from whatever the date that today is 1st July to the last 1 month date, so that you know what these are fresh and relevant, not like 2 years back, 3 years back. Let me execute this node. Right, we have the news articles. Now is where the LLM comes into the picture, cleaning it, formatting it. Yes. Here we have the output. OpenAI launches. Before that, let me show you something. So when we are using the news API, I'm giving it a set of keywords. First keyword being the company name, followed by content, creative, and AI. So whatever the space that you are working in, that could be, let's say, company name and warehouse, company name and logistics, company name and data warehouse. Whatever the space that you are in, based on the keywords that you give here, the API extracts news articles, relevant news articles. And from the given set of news articles, we are extracting top three and formulating here in a very neat format. Now this is being merging all of this data, and code node for helping us formatting in a clean format. Send. Now let's say the email summary of meetings for you. Yes. Here's a summary for you. Sent by OpenAI, sent by Meta, sent by Microsoft. The meeting type and what are the points that relevant point that will help you break the ice to the industry or the domain that you are working at.